Hello everyone, to switch between the channel, go to the control windows. It has BGM and PVM. So right now I have 10 channels, so it will have 10 channels to select. Click cut to switch without any effect. For the take, it will switch the effect you selected. Besides that, you can also set the speed by dragging it to left or right. So as you can see, the switching is now become slower. Other than that, you can also use the T-bar to do the switching. Just drag up and down to switch between the channel. You can change the effect right here. Select the effect you want. After that, click take to switch with the effect. Inside VG Director comes a lot of effects. You can find them here. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed the video.